Hi, it's Amanda with Music Game Club, and today I am walking you through our 4-4 Foxes boom cards. So this first deck is a simple drag and drop, and we have eighth notes, eighth rests, quarter rests, dotted quarter notes, half rests, dotted half notes, whole rests. Deck 2 is where they have to finish the measure. This is simple rhythms, so it does not have any eighth notes or dotted quarter notes. And what's presented is just the notes that will actually complete the measure. There's no like a quarter note and quarter rest to get confusing. It only has one. Deck 3 is very similar to Deck 2, but this one has the more complicated rhythms. It features eighth notes as well as dotted quarter notes. So this is for a little bit more intermediate students. And Deck 4 is a very beginning one where there are two different ways to do this. First, there's tap the quarter rest, and then the other one asks, what gets one beat, tap the answer. So you both have to identify what it's called and also how many beats it gets in order to solve these. For the best deal, visit musicgameclub.com/membership, and you can get 4 decks of boom cards for just $9 a month.